This tutorial will guide you through the process of completing a league training match in FC Mobile. By following the steps, you'll enhance your gameplay skills and prepare yourself for real competitions in the game. Whether you're new to FC Mobile or looking to improve your performance, this guide will help you navigate the training match effectively. So, let's get started. Since you're new here and you need to learn the basics, just tap the screen to finish the dialogue. If the dialogue ends, the game will ask you to tap on the kickoff menu. As you can see, we're in the kickoff the menu. While we're in the kickoff the menu, since you're here to complete the league training match in FC Mobile, let's tap the gameplay control so that you can learn the basics of the game. From here, just tap the start button to start your training. As we start the training, remember to read the dialogue to learn some tips and tricks. As you can see in the video, you just have to follow the steps while playing the game. Remember to adapt while playing the game so that you can become better. Completing a league training match in FC Mobile is a vital step in developing your skills for competitive play. By following the steps, you can set up your team, understand match objectives, and utilize game controls effectively. Keep practicing and analyzing your performance to continue improving. Happy gaming and good luck on the pitch.